Hey there, so there are multiple ways how you can possibly fix if the Euhomy ice maker is not dumping ice and not working, possibly also E2 your error. So the first thing is that you want to clean the unit. So take everything apart and just like cleaning off with the cloth or something. Then you want to adjust the ice size, reduce the size of the ice cubes. This can be done by pressing the control button, where you're gonna have the control button right here, and you can just like change it to smaller ice cubes. Then you can also lower the ice size settings to around min 1 2. You can have it with the buttons right here. Then you can also when you're gonna do it and it's not going to even date work, what you can do is like completely unplug it for, let's say, 2-3 minutes, and then plug it back in. Maybe the turning off turning on is going to fix. If not, I'm sorry. But primarily what you want to try to do is you can reduce the size of the ice cubes here on the panel, and then also uh, lower the ice setting. So this is something that you can try. If this didn't help, I'm sorry, I tried. Have a great day and goodbye.